Hi everyone, welcome back. So you've purchased your Growing Dome greenhouse kit. Here's what to expect when you're expecting your delivery. This is a 26-foot growing dome. We fit all of this into these 3 boxes. The 18 through the 26-foot growing dome kits will look something like this, with a larger glazing crate, a lumber pallet, and a door crate on top of the lumber pallet. The 15-foot growing dome will come with 2 pieces, one glazing crate that also contains the door and other components, and a lumber pallet. The 33 will look similar but on a larger scale, and the 42 will come with 2 large glazing crates and 2 lumber pallets. If you opt for a delivery or you come and pick up your kit yourself, your components will be loose. Once your growing dome leaves our facility, we will send you an email with the carrier the kit was shipped with, as well as your tracking number. You can use this tracking number to keep an eye on where your dome kit is. However, it's not exactly definite. You will receive a phone call from that carrier at least 24 hours in advance to schedule the delivery of your dome kit. So make sure that you answer your phone, because if you don't, you may be subject to storage fees from that carrier. For the 15 through 26-foot growing domes, we do request a liftgate be present at the time of delivery. However, we do ask you to verify this with the carrier when they call to schedule that delivery time. Our preferred carriers will do their best to place the dome kit where you would like it. However, they will not go anywhere where they could potentially damage your property or their equipment. Once the growing dome kit is on the ground, it is up to you to move it around wherever you would like it, so a forklift is a good piece of equipment to have. For the 33 and the 42-foot growing domes, a forklift is required to offload the truck, and due to the size and weight of the crates, we do recommend forklift extensions. It's very important to look over your crates thoroughly at the time of delivery. Damage is rare, but it does happen. Any damage needs to be noted with the driver at the time of delivery on the BOL. Claims are time sensitive, so it's best if you could call us while the driver is present, just so we can make sure that everything has been noted properly. The most common type of damage that we see is a puncture to the crate via the fork of a forklift, or damage to the lumber kit by the same means. So make sure you give everything a good look over. We hope that you're able to get to building your greenhouse right away, but we understand that sometimes life happens. If you do need to store your kit, it's best to do so in a garage outside of the elements. You can store them outside, but we would want you to tarp the entire kit, including the door crate and the lumber kit, as these crates are made out of OSB and therefore they are not waterproof. If you live in an area that accumulates a lot of snow, you will want to make sure to remove the snow from the top of the dome kit. That way you could better protect your greenhouse. There are some temperature sensitive components in this kit, primarily the joint sealing tape, as well as the vent openers. These are some of the pricier items in the kit, and we would hate for you to have to replace them when it does come time to build, so make sure you bring those inside. These items are going to be located in the largest crate, no matter the dome size. If there are any items that are back ordered from your kit, you will receive an email from us with your tracking information as soon as we have them in stock and are able to ship them out to you. While your dome kit is being stored, we recommend that you begin reading through the written instructions on our website. You will receive an email from us at the time of purchase with a super secret password to access all of the documentation. We ask that you don't share that password or any of those documents publicly. Because we're always making improvements for ease of installation, the written instructions are always going to take precedence over the videos. That's because it's easier and quicker for us to make a change to a PDF document than it is for us to refilm a video, so just make sure you read through those instructions thoroughly. If you do have any questions while you're beginning to read through those instructions or during the building process, you can call us at 1-800-753-9333, or you can email support@growingspaces.com. Interrupting your regularly scheduled programming with a public service announcement. As you read through your written instructions and reference your aerial view diagram, you may feel you have fallen victim to 5 missing A struts and a pentagon hub. I am here to tell you that you are not alone. However, they are not missing. You simply need to determine which pentagon your door will be placed. Once you have determined your door location, you will remove those 5 struts and pentagon hub and place them at the apex of the dome. Back to you, Shelby. Thank you, Other Shelby. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns throughout the process, you can always call us. We're available Monday through Friday from 8 to 5, and you can speak with a real person. Make sure that you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you never miss a video. And you can follow us on all of your favorite social platforms. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon.